Using the Parametric Equalizer effect. The Parametric Equalizer effect offers a nuanced and intuitive interface for the that are linked together to achieve nuanced, natural-sounding audio. Let's try this effect. Open the sequence 07 Full Parametric EQ. This sequence has one musical clip and one voiceover clip. Locate the Parametric Equalizer effect in the Effects panel. Try using the search box at the top of the window and drag the effect onto the first clip. Make sure the clip is selected, and in the Effect Controls panel, click the Edit button to access the custom setup controls for the Parametric Equalizer effect. The horizontal axis of the graphic control area indicates frequency, while the vertical axis shows amplitude. The blue line across the middle of the graph represents any adjustments you have made. Wherever the blue line is higher or lower in the display, adjustments are made to the audio level at those frequencies. You can reshape the line directly by dragging any of the 5 main control points directly, as well as the low pass labeled L and high pass labeled H controls at the ends. On the left is an overall master gain level adjustment, which offers a quick fix if the changes you make result in audio that is too loud or too quiet overall. Play the clip to get familiar with its sound. The graphic control area displays the level throughout the frequency range, just as the de-hum and de-reverb effects did. At the bottom of the dialog box, there is a range option. By default, the Parametric Equalizer effect graph allows adjustments up to plus or minus 15 dB. Change range to 96 dB, and now adjustments can be made up to plus or minus 48 dB. Drag control point 1 on the blue line quite a long way down in the graph to reduce the audio level at low frequencies. Listen to the music again. Changes you make to a specific frequency reshape the blue line, impacting surrounding frequencies and resulting in a more natural sound. The control points you drag have a range of influence that is defined by their Q setting. Adjustments made to the blue line update the detailed controls below. These 2 areas of the dialog box are connected. Adjust one and the other updates automatically. The control point numbers are at the bottom of each column of settings, and they double up as an enable-disable toggle for the control point. In the previous example, control point 1 has been set to 65 Hz, which is very low frequency, with a gain adjustment of negative 30.8 dB, which is a big gain reduction, and a Q of 2, which is quite a wide curve for the blue line. Change the Q factor for control point 1 from 2 to 7. You can click the 2 and type in a new setting directly. The line has a much sharper curve, so the adjustment you are making now applies to fewer frequencies. Play the sequence to hear the changes. Let's refine the vocals. Drag control point 3 down to about negative 20 dB and set the Q factor to 1 for a very broad adjustment. Play the sequence to hear the changes. The vocals are much quieter. Drag control point 4 to around 1500 Hz with a gain of plus 6 dB. Adjust the Q factor to 3 for more precise adjustment on the EQ adjustment. Play the sequence to hear the changes. Drag the high pass control, the H control, down, setting its gain to around negative 8 dB to make the highest frequencies quieter. Use the master gain control to adjust the overall level. You may need to see your audio meters to find out whether your mix is right. Close the Parametric Equalizer settings. Play the sequence to hear the changes. These are dramatic changes intended to illustrate a technique. Of course, you will usually make subtler adjustments.